Hey, Felice.
Hey, Fresh.
It's so good to see you.
So good to see you too.
So you made this thing for your mom.
I did.
Instead of going to the store and spending $10 on a greeting card, what did you do?
I used my Cricut Joy and I made a card.
Nuh-uh. Can I see?
You can.
Can I touch it?
Of course.
That is adorable. Look, it's like silvery and sparkly and effervescent, whatever that word is. Tell us what you did here. How'd you make it?
So this is a card that comes out of a card kit you can buy. It's got a pack of, I think, 10 cards, inserts, and envelopes. Right? You can pick these things up for less than $5
Nice.
these days, right?
Wait,
and
for how many?
For 10.
So it's 50 cents a card.
Yes.
I just did math. You see what I did there? That's amazing.
I'm so proud of you right now. Anyway, I used the Cricut Joy and I cut Mom out, but then I used the foil transfer kit and I used foil to design the flowers.
Can you see that? So it's like foil. It's like foil. It's not ink, but it's kind of almost printed on it.
Right, exactly. I mean, the flowers would be too small to cut on the machine, right? You would lose it. You lose the definition.
I'm losing it just looking at that. I'm not going to lie. It's amazing.
So I think this turned out pretty cute.
Now, the only problem I see is you made it in black.
I did.
How am I going to write inside here? What do I do?
All right, well, you could options.
Okay.
You could use a silver metallic pen, or you could cut a piece of lighter colored cardstock and write your message on that and glue that in here.
That is both bougie and fancy. Can you show these people how you made it?
I can. Let's go look.
Over in Cricut's Design Space software, we're going to first search the image library and look in the image sets for corner cutouts that will hold the insert for our card. Once we find one that we like, we're going to go ahead and add that to Canvas. Then we're going to go back in the image library and search for flowers. And find one that we like and add that one to Canvas as well. The flowers are the part of the card that I want to use foil on, so I'm going to go up under Operation and change it from a basic cut to foil. Then I'll adjust the size and position it within the inserts. I also want to see if the image library has a mom cutout that I can use for this card. I want this part to be cut out so that the holographic insert that I'm going to use will shine through. Once I find one I like, I'll add it to Canvas, adjust the size, position, and then select all 3 layers and align them. And I'll select all 3 layers and attach them together. And now I'm ready to make my design. You can see in Design Space that it's telling me that the operations for this project are going to be foil and cutting. So I know that I'm going to need my foil transfer tip and my fine point blade. Ready to make this card, I'm going to take the foil and tape it to the front of the card using the tape that came with the foil. I'll then place it in the card mat with the plastic in between the front and the back. Before starting the process, change out the fine point blade to the foil tip. When the foil part is done, the joy will stop, but the trick here is not to remove the mat, but to remove the foil from the mat. Then change the foil tip to the blade and start the cutting process in Design Space. Once the cutting is done, remove the mat and carefully remove the card from it. Then place the insert into the cutout corners. And the heart for the mom remained on the card mat because it wasn't attached to the design specifically. So I used a little bit of glue to stick it down. And there you have it, a unique card to give to mom that I think she's going to love. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Have fun using the Cricut Joy Transfer Kit and make some awesome designs.